I'm gonna show you in this video how to build an online store on Hostinger. So let's jump right in this video. So first thing first, let's let me show you how to enable your store and how to set up your store on Hostinger. So the first thing you're gonna have to do here is to click on your website. So from here, select your website. I'm gonna select this website. I can actually click on here, add website, and I'm gonna use the drag and drop website builder. So it's gonna help you. Can use even AI to create your website, which is pretty cool. So here you can describe the website you want. Let's say you can click on here, enable. So I have a brand that is about creating tutorials based on different software, apps, and applications. And then now you can disable this. You can go to brand name, add here the brand name and number. And then here website type. What type of website is this? So this is kind of like business showcase. So I'm gonna click on create a website. This is gonna generate the AI servers. Okay, you're gonna write a new content. Pretty cool AI, and also we also have available other AIs to write content, to generate the image, to write descriptions for our product, which is pretty helpful, right? Now we're gonna wait a couple of seconds, and here we have our website. Pretty fast, right? So you can check now our website, how it looks like, tutorials, resources. We have contact already. It works. We also have here, we can scroll down and check our website. We have support resources. Now we can check also the view on our phone. We are in preview mode. And as you can see, it just works. Now it's not doesn't look the best, but if you just want to start with your business, it looks pretty nice, right? So now let's click on edit site. We are still in view mode, excuse me, on desktop and then here on phone, but we're gonna switch to desktop here. And then here, the first thing now you're gonna have to do to enable store on Hostinger website builder is to click on this icon from here. So this is the icon. So now let's click on this button, online Cree store. Okay, click on here, and here look what we have: online store, up to 500 products, quick to easy to manage, lining, fast sites, great SEO performance. So let's please click on add the store here. And now here we have on this page all products, right? So now how to create a product, right? We have some sample products here. So I'm gonna click on this, and I'm gonna select here edit product. Click on here edit product. This will direct us to the store manager. You can also just open the store manager if you click on online store from here and select manage store. Let's click on manage store. All right, perfect. And now from here, you can set up your store, set up a store currency, and then a country and store currency, right? I can also write the name of the country from here, United States. Click on continue. And then here we can see click on here back, change the store name. You can also click on here settings, store details, and change the store name from here. Also the region settings. You can also add here kilograms and a different metric. Right, now to add a product, you're gonna have to click on products here. Also, of course, let's save and products. And then from here, you can click on add product. You can also import products if you want to. You can also import products. And if you click on here, you just need to upload a file or download the file template. Now let's click on add product here, physical product. You can also add digital products, servers, donation, appointment, or multiple product, physical products. Now let's actually, after you create your product, let's say physical product, you add your image here. Let's say this is the product. It's cool that we have the option to remove the background very fast and add the color that you want. I think that's pretty cool. It saves you some time. Now, if you have another image, for instance, you can add another image. You can change the order by just drag and drop. Okay, and if you want, you can also add a YouTube link. Okay, a link. Pretty cool. Now you can add a title here, the subtitle, ribbon, description. You can use AI to write a description. Let's say I have a t-shirt and that is really good. Okay, and I click on generate. Now, of course, you describe your product, you describe advantages, pros and cons of a product, whatever you want to add to your description of your product, and then you just need to grab that text. It's gonna paste generated text array for you. You're gonna highlight the text. You can change the color of a text from here. You can highlight your text. Now, other things that you can do, which are pretty cool, is let's say you can link. So people click this, let's say only on this word. And if they click on this word, they'll get directed to this link that you'll add here. Pretty cool. Now add the info section. You can add here title, description to create your info section. Okay, you can add an info section here. And now once you save here, you can add here the pricing, track quantity as well. You can track the quantity, price, discount count. You can enable or disable the add to block button for the product. Now, what's cool is you can also add product variants, and you can add an image in your product variant based on what images you added here in media. So I can click on here, add option. I can add a color here, let's say. And then here I can add a different color, let's say. And now we can click on manage variants. You can select image, track quantity, price, and also at the end here, custom field, title, and category. We can click on, I'll show you how to add a category in a moment. Now, to add a category, you just need to go to categories here and enter the name of your category and assign some products. Those are just some sample products. You can check all the products from here. And now that's pretty much it. Actually, let me show you how to display your products on your website. So you're going to go back here to edit website. And from here, we can display, let's say here in store, I'll display store. Okay, I'm going to click on store here. And then you can click on all products here and select edit section. And then here you can filtering, you can select which products you want to add. Now, show categories as filters, but here you can just select a category if you created one. But if I didn't, I don't have one here. But if I do create a category, I'm be able to select and add a category there. That way you can create subcategories. You can also check a video on my YouTube channel about that video about how to create subcategories using categories here. So if you do that, you can also to set up a payment, but here let me add just test category here, assign some products, save, and then here in edit products for our store page. So if I go back now to this store page, I'll click on here, edit section. Sorry. There's a problem with sending me back at the bottom. I don't know why. Been having this problem for some time. You can stretch also this, and if you click on here, let me click on add section and I'll add online store, and I'll select maybe this one. edit section, and here in filtering, I'll select this test category. Okay, and now I have this category added here. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Now that's pretty much it. What other things I can show? There's something maybe in manage store here. Here you have the settings for your store, settings, details, shipping, checkout, emails, taxes, and invoices. And here for shipping, you can create a zone here, which we didn't. We can just Europe, let's say. Here add countries, and I can add the countries now. Can click on save, and I can add some shipping options from here. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.